friends. Today I'm gonna give you a tour of the Model by Hilton in Tulum. This is a very small room. That's it. You saw it all. It is very small. This is the door right here, and as soon as you enter, literally in 2 steps, you can walk through the entire room. To the right, you have a toilet right over here. It's nice, it's covered. However, if you need to use the shower, you have to close the toilet door because it's essentially the same door that opens the toilet or the shower. So then you close the toilet and you open the shower door, and here's your shower with amenities stuck to the wall. Then you switch over and you have your sink, big bottles of amenities, which is nice. I do love the natural finishes of this room. Everything is stone, wood, even the plaster of the wall feels like a very rustic adobe type feeling. Here's your closet with extra pillows in the back. The ceilings are high, I do love that. Here is a little mini refrigerator, which it is not stock, as well as a mini bar and some extra space here for, I guess, nothing, just to store extra things, so you can put a bag or your key there. Here's your laundry bag. They do offer laundry service. The floors, again, very nice stone finishes in the floor. Here's, you have 2 towels, that's it, just 2 towels, a hair dryer, some hand towels, 1 washcloth, tissue paper, and then here's your bed. This room connects with 2 different rooms, so there's a connecting door to the right, connecting door to the left if you want to unite it with another room. But this is a queen size bed. Again, it is a very small room. There's not really much room for me even to walk around and show you this room. Here's again the bed, here's the nightstand. There are plugs next to the wall with USB available, both USB-C and USB-B, I think. Here's the lighting the lighting buttons. You can press and it turns on the lighting beneath the bed, the lamp to the left of the bed. 1 nightstand, but there's extra plugs over there if you're traveling with someone and they need to plug their phone on that side of the bed. And then here's the desk. The desk is very small, as you can see, just barely holds my bag. But if you need to do some work, I suppose that it is helpful to even have a desk. It almost reminds me of like a student type desk in a classroom. Very large TV though, as you can see, very nice. I think that might be like a 42, maybe like 45, 47 inch TV. Here's your thermostat. And then this is the view of the room outside. Lots of trees. I think this is another hotel. To the left here, there's the loft that is very close to this property. You're not close to the beach. You do need to take an Uber or a cab or drive yourself to the beach, which is about 10 to 20 minutes away, depending on what part of the beach you're going to. Just to get to the beach is about 10 minutes, but if you're going further down in the hotel zone, then it might be as far as 20 to 30 extra minutes down the beach. That is it for the Model in Tulum. Hope you enjoy. It is a very affordable room. This room, it's $140, but they do have taxes and fees and all of that, so they came out to close to $200 after taxes. One last thing, this is one of the larger rooms. So the $140 is because I booked one of the upper range rooms. There are cheaper rooms, but for example, in those rooms, the bed would not be out like this one. It would actually be a, what is the name of that? It's like a Murphy. It would be a Murphy bed, so that you do have more space during the day, and then you just bring the bed down when you need to use it. All right, enjoy. Bye-bye.